In this video, we'll take you through the key features and functionalities of our end-to-end customer loyalty product LBMS. Access the LBMS portal by entering your username and password on the login page. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Configuration tab on the left-hand panel. From the drop-down menu, select Organization. Here, you'll configure details such as company name, location, and website. Click on the Program option. Here, you get to start setting up your loyalty program by providing a program name, logo, base currency, and define loyalty points under the Points Definitions section by providing details like cashback and redemption rates. Next, you move to Managing Setting Role Definitions and Managing User Roles. Click on Manage Roles to start creating roles for your users. Click on Create a new role. Enter a role name, description for the role, and enable the desired permissions. You now move on to adding new users under the Manage Users tab. Click on Add New User and provide details like first name, last name, and then assign a role you created in the previous step. Now, we move to one of the most important parts of creating your loyalty program, defining rules that will govern your program using our rule engine. Start by clicking on Add New Rule. Here is an example of a rule being created. We add the rule name and then move to setting up the rule condition. You can create your if-then-else rule condition by using multiple attributes. We first start by putting in the if condition. Select an attribute from the drop-down menu. Here we choose transaction amount. Select the right operator. Here we select greater than equal to. And finally enter the transaction amount value. We will now add the values under the then condition. Enter the number of points to be awarded. You can also enable tiers multiplier to award more points based on the member's tier. Remember, you can create multiple if and then conditions. After setting up the rules, you'll configure your loyalty program tiers. Click on Add a new tier and provide details like tier name, points multiplier, and milestone for reaching the tier. Don't forget to set bonus points to be awarded upon reaching a new tier. LBMS also offers features to send highly targeted marketing campaigns to the loyalty program members. We will first explore the segments section where you can create various custom member segments. Click on Create Segment and enter basic details like segment name, segment tag, and then select filters to create a more focused segment. You have the option to add multiple filters in the segment. Launch targeted campaigns by giving your campaign a name, selecting a segment which you created in the previous step, offering bonus points, and selecting the start date for the campaign. Next, you move on to selecting the email or SMS template for your campaign. Select an existing template from the drop-down menu, or create a new one. Give your template a name. Select the type of communication, it will be promotional or transactional, and your preferred mode of communication. Here we choose email. Write the email subject, body, and an engaging CTA. Review campaign summary on the next screen to finally launch it. Additionally, you can create custom reports based on transactions, members, and liability. Lastly, you'll have access to an overview of your loyalty program's performance through the dashboard. Are you ready to build, manage, and scale your loyalty programs at ease? Get started with LBMS today. Visit www.gift.com to know more.